Tanduay since being the rival.
Nice move, nice pass inside, and Captain Marvel is on the
Kay Ali Peak, no? They're going to use Bong Hawkins for that.
They were teammates before, actually. Durant, papasok tayo ng 7 minuto. Here's Locsin, makes room.
In the role that Coach Gary Romano has given. Take a look at his move.
Excellent move from Noli Locsin, who's also averaging 36 minutes on.
Siyempre makikita natin.
Started his career with Barangay Ginebra, of course. Got traded to Pop Cola. Ngayon, nasa Tanduay na siya. And Noli Locsin getting a basket.
The others, Danny Ziegler, Victor Pablo, Rudy Hatfield, at saka si Davon Harp.
Oh,
And that's the reason kung bakit si Rio Lucas is been able to get away. Oh, transition basket! Alam mo, partner, ang dami natin kaibigan from Bulacan. Already asking about defense, no? At the time, almost out here.
Cariaso for the lead in the first quarter. And the Jet, just in time, as he makes a safe run. There di Balingit. Inatrasan si Wokpis. Nowhere to go. Hontiveros pulls the trigger.
At 6 points now for Donald Hontiveros.
Sweet shooting dot on Hontiveros. Nilaglag kay Wokpis ang auto favorite shot, pero wala. Rebound ni Jason Webb, and he's all over the floor. Tapos tumapak daw sa linya. Mukhang ewan ko And a technical has been slapped on Coach Pomaren here. Now, Coach Pomaren was looking at kneeling on the floor. Let's watch this again, yung huling play, and let's see if kung mahuhuli natin dito kung nakatapak si Jason Webb sa linya. He will get the rebound in this particular play against his teammates, and then not from that angle. It's very difficult to see.
Oh, partner, that referee was right in front
Oh, yes.
of Jason Webb.
This
Ito,
may
makikita
just be
natin.
a better angle.
Lumapas, yes.
Oh, yes.
Kitang-kita. You know, the referee could not have made a mistake, partner. He wasn't
Yung play talagang malinaw. Lorendes nasipa ni
Yes.
Bonel Balingit. That will reset the shot clock.
Call another inbound.
Apat po ang abante ng Tanduay Gold.
Getting this team to the very good.
Nice move by Balingit. Wala yung kanyang curl. Rebound again by Jason Webb. Yes, that's the lead. Kaibigan, 5:47 remaining in the second quarter.
Nakakawa na naman ang offensive rebound because Jason Webb, I tell you, he's all over the court. He's all energy. Oh, that was a traveling partner.
Inaitawag.
Instead of him posting up, siya naman
Siya
nag-cut.
ng apat. Aliados, he's a little bit of a hole. Yes, Rodney Santos with a stretch.
That's the extra pass and the unselfish play.
Ng Alaska na nawala noong laban nila against San Miguel. Yeah, these three are doing well, and talk about doing well. What a move by Bong Hawkins. So many fakes. And just like the veteran that Bong Hawkins is, nakalusot siya sa kanyang mga pantay. Panoorin natin to. Watch the move here. Head and shoulder fake. One more fake. Then he goes around Aliado, and he is gone. That slow-mo play. Brought to you by PLDT Text 135. Nagawa, nakuha ni Ali Peak. Hinahabol ni Hontiveros. Napunta kay Rodney Santos. And look at Don Hontiveros. Dive for the ball.
Papakamatay. Which is the way it should be.
Yes. And that's why this player is so admirable. Madami siyang nakukuha ang fans. He brings the kind of Visayan basketball into. He's taken ready 4 attempts now. Inside Cariaso. Offensive foul. Laban sa the Jet. Again, the defensive 3-52. Isa na lamang po ang abante dito ng Alaska na muntik na maagawan. Naagawan na natuloy ng Tiveros.
Alam mo, partner,
Cianico.
yung drop defense ng Tanduay, nagbunga. Oh, yes!
my goodness.
And one for the Jet.
Using the left hand against Kenneth Durendes off a pass by Hontiveros. He has been the spark, si Don Hontiveros.
And great defense dito.
Ito.
Kita mo, no? Nag-drop kagad eh. Yung Tanduay defense on the man with the ball.
One steal, then he will come up with a pass in a spectacular move. Sos Mariosep. That's an excellent shot there by Jeffrey Cariaso.
Ginulan ng Tanduay itong alak. What did we say, partner? Tanduay has got to use defense to come back to this game.
There's a foul. No basket. That is waved off by referee Bernarde. And Arrigo now beginning to feel the rookie blues here. Ito mukhang dahan-dahan na niyang medyo dinatagay. Nakasagupa siya. Here's Hontiveros. And there's a foul.
Kada badikit, partner. And Alaska is in the penalty. Would you believe it, with 6:11 to go, Tanduay only one shot.
Cariaso.
Here we go with the shot.
Yes! It's a 5-point lead now. Beside his assistant coach Luigi Trillo and Nicky Bachman.
At saka si Reyes.
What a move by Hawkins. At alam mo, When you look at the Alaska team and they watch Bong Hawkins is tearing them apart here.
Eto na!
What a dunk. No fear. That is a no fear slam. Face your fears, live your dreams. And Hawkins is just playing
Moves. And he is attacking Ali Peak from outside.
out. It's almost picked off pero may
Dangerous
foul.
pass.
Oo.
Dangerous.
Alam mo kung bakit dangerous yun? Kasi yung pass ni Odonio, parang hindi tama yung angulo eh.
Oo.
Parang mataas yung talbog.
Tsaka mapabasa mo.
Oo.
Also in heavy traffic. You issue a bounce pass, partner, when you have your potential receiver covered very well by the defender. Mahirap yun.
Mahirap talaga. Oscar, tumatakbo si Hawkins. Nandun si Walkfish. Ano nandiyo si Walkfish?
Oh, yes.
Wala atang Walkfish dyan. 15 puntos na po si Bong Hawkins.
Hindi pumasok.
Tapos actually, irrelevant yun, ha? And there's a jump ball here between Ali Peak and Jason Webb, who has just been pounding the board here today. Jason Webb challenging the big man, and Tanduay challenging Alaska. Lamang nalalabi sa ating third quarter. Jump ball sa harapan ng basket ng Alaska. Bola napunta kay Hontiveros.
Oh, what a terrible jump there for Alaska, partner.
Oo, Ordonio nilaglag kay Ali Peak. Tumapi ka na. Sabi ni Hawkins, hindi ko na rin pipigilin.
Sige, yun ang basket, sabi niyo.
Oh, the quarter. Here's Carriazo. Backing up. Rodney Santos. And Rodney Santos has just shown so much great qualities for a defensive player. And look at Carriazo.
Well, actually, it's not only because hindi
They
siya
climb back from a three-point deficit and they take over the lead after the first 36 minutes of action. Just one. Balingad is in the game now for the foul trouble. He just gets his first 2 points off the glass from about maybe 28 feet.
at saka yung tira na yun, partner, nanggaling sa palikat. Ha? It
Yes.
wasn't really a squared up
Ali
three-point.
Peak, laban kay Bonel Balingit. Lalaking ano nito, no? Yung isa si Mount Balingit, yung isa the Mountain. And
Pipiliin sana ito si Ali Peak for his jump hook, pero hindi siya talaga makabuelo eh.
mahirap pumelo kay Balingit.
Bonel is leaning on him, partner, no? Kanya, mahirap-hirap din yun. If
He's
he-
closer, goes up, and that's too strong. Ali Peak offensive rebound, he goes up. Wala pa rin, and Balingit grabs the rebound. You know, that's the first time in a while that I've seen somebody challenge Ali Peak's shot that close.
Oo.
Jump shot,
Yeah.
down fat, but gusto niya. Ontiveros.
Doon ang pumasok.
You know, they're having a very good, ano ito ngayon si Locsin. He gets a very nice. Ang dami namang fake nun. Ang dami namang fake nun.
Grabe yun, partner.
And Hawkins,
Deflect, disrupt.
watch this. One fake, 2, 3. He gets away. Another fake. Akala mo
Ayun
lusot
na.
na, and then he goes up. Unbelievable shot. Slow-mo play was brought to you by PLDT Text 1. This has been, well, he has not scored in the second half. And
Oh,
there's
yes.
Ontiveros with a jump shot. Kung iaambing mo naman si Ontiveros,
Yes. Playing in denial. Halos hindi makahawak ng bola ito si Durende.
Ali Peak again challenge.
Call a foul.
Pero may foul si Bonel Balingit. That'll be number 4 on the Man Mountain and Tanduay. And that will also put them in the penalty now with under 8 minutes to play. Ali Peak trying to carry the load. Pero ang Tanduay answering the challenge. We'll be back.
Or the people are glued to their sets when they're watching the PBA.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Pagsubaybayan, Hontiveros is just burning here. He is red hot. 15 points para kay Hontiveros. Excellent point. Hontiveros. Oh, yes, sir.
They count it.
Strong move.
Yes, at siya nagbubuhay dito sa Tanduay, partner.
Hontiveros kay John Arrigo on the press. And you have just seen the CMG swipe of the game from CMG, your provider of life insurance, pension, education plans, and the CMG Health Swipe Card. Ariaso sneaks inside and one play for the Jet.
Partner, Ordonio is going to have a difficult time stopping Jeffrey Carriazo, partner. It's time for Rodney Santos to check back in.
Let's watch this move again by the well-rested Jeffrey Carriazo. Sees a little bit of an opening, sneaks inside.
And no help, partner.
No help indeed. And that slow-mo play was brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it for free activation call. Magic take on the Indiana Pacers. Yan po ay bukas 5:30 ng hapon dito po sa Viva TVR. And
0.7 rebounds, 4 assists. Talagang
Yung pangalawa?
binuhat niya yung Tiberos eh.
talagang yung outside shooting niya, yun ang pumatay sa kanila. And of course, the second one, a former Alaska player.
That's right, nakita natin, he gave Tipcone a warm embrace. 18 points, 2 rebounds, and what a night for the Hawk.
What a game indeed. At sila ang ating mga Viva Mineral Water best players of the game. Samantala ang ating Vulcasil Tapal King of the Game. Ang daming sapalan dito ngayon. Ali Pic had a couple. Several players had one. But this is one guy who came out to play on his birthday. John Ordonio is our Super Vulcasil Tapal King of the Game with 2 shot blocks today. Well, that was a big win para sa Tanduay. They climb up to 4-7, half a game or 1 game behind Pure Foods Pure Foods and Alaska, and that certainly will give them a chance now to get to the quarterfinal round.
I think so, partner. It's wide open now, and I'm looking forward to the next few games.